So really appreciate everyone joining us for another Hoot Community Group webinar. Today's topics, AI website tools, plus having a CRM platform to really help you drive that online success. I'm really looking forward to this conversation. This is kind of a continuation of our alignable education webinar that we just had earlier this week. So I really hope everyone who joined that is coming over to join us today because we're going to unpack more of that conversation to kind of help you like build your business website and kind of like have those effective marketing tools. But also we're going to talk about like Hoot features and benefits specifically as well to really just kind of help everyone have a better understanding. So let's explore how to build your business website quickly and effectively using AI tools, plus the benefits of having HootCRM and marketing tools from Hoot built right into your website to really maximize your online presence. Topics included in this presentation today are going to be website cost versus value. We're really going to start there as kind of like an explanation and just help everyone have a better understanding of like kind of like the options. You go to the big agency and you have to spend a lot of money, or you're doing it yourself with like Wix and Squarespace, and just trying to help everyone have like that website cost of value, like understanding, so you can find the balance somewhere in between and really just maximize your online presence. And that's really kind of where like the HootPress difference comes in. We're going to talk about like what Hoot brings to the table to kind of help people find that balance and just have the best online presence for their business. Then we're going to unpack like the benefits of a CRM and marketing platform, understanding all the tools and kind of what you can do with those tools to really get the most for your business online. Then we're going to do a full little demo and breakdown of HootPress and a lot of our AI website tools, as well as HootCRM. And then I'm going to kind of like just tie it all together, kind of bring back some of the conversation from Tuesday's webinar. We're going to talk about strategies for online growth, because it's great when you have a website and all these marketing tools and everything. But with that little bit of strategy, now you're going to have a better understanding of really how to grow your business online. So let's go ahead and explore how to build an affordable website for your business and maximize your online presence. The first big topic we're going to talk about today is just website cost versus value. This is an interesting conversation because, it's, a lot of business owners, they kind of, either find out the hard way or just try to, kind of do it themselves and find out that they're not really going to create the best, online presence for their business. So, you have kind of like these two choices, and it really puts people, especially a lot of small and medium business owners, just in a tight spot, because it's like you have website agencies who aim to charge your business an average of $3,000 to $5,000 just to build a business website. Then they're going to tack on management plans and optimization plans that can add up to thousands per year. So a lot of small and medium businesses, they say, oh, well, I can't really afford that, so I'm going to go over to Wix and Squarespace and try to do it myself. But those platforms, they don't really offer a lot of value, and they give you a lot to learn, and also just a lot of your time as a business owner. So even if you're working with a freelancer, that's going to cost you $2,500 to $5,000. If you're working with an agency, it's kind of a rule of thumb for a lot of big web and marketing agencies that they want every single one of their clients to be worth $10,000 or more. So that's kind of where Hoot came in the last few years. We've really been proving that like we can be that middle ground, kind of help business owners find that website cost to value balance. And that's really been our whole mission. And, we're really proud to say that, we're proving that like that middle ground is possible. So, agencies and even freelancers, they do require bigger budgets, so if you can't afford that, you end up going over to the DIY platforms that just takes up your time and they don't really bring a lot of value to your business. You end up with like that Squarespace website that's kind of like that static brochure website for your business, doesn't really, bring in conversions or anything. So, that website cost of value, it kind of just leaves a lot of businesses with like that not so great online presence, or just overpaying for services with no real guarantee of ROI. So for a lot of, smaller businesses, it's hard to justify that big agency budget or just wasting your time with building the website on, yourself. And this is where Hoot comes in and helps really, kind of find that balance. So with that all said, let's talk about the HootPress difference and kind of like what we bring to the table to help people find exactly that. So HootPress comes loaded with premium tools. It's our website builder. But unlike Wix or Squarespace or any of those platforms, we're also giving you all these business operations management and marketing tools built in as well. So no other platform is really doing this on the level that we are, with all of our support and maintenance and everything wrapped in. So it comes loaded with premium tools for content, design, SEO, performance, accessibility, and you have all of our training and support wrapped in. So you have like direct support from our team, and you have all types of really great video training and support. So it really just makes this platform where like, you're empowered to kind of manage things yourself. You have a team like us behind the scenes helping you with the technical stuff that might, you maybe do need some support for. And it just, creates a much better online presence that, also doesn't really break the bank either. So some just a little breakdown here of our platform: a modern interface with easy navigation through our dashboard, integrated stats and analytics, so you can go right onto this dashboard, see all your website, Google Business Profile, and all of your marketing analytics and stats. We have the full CRM and marketing suite. I'm going to unpack all the features in just a few minutes. We make blogging really easy with an AI content assistant. You can write content for your website, or create blogs to really just help you have that optimized messaging and content. We have built-in SEO tools. If you were with me on the last webinar, we were talking about the Google SEO Essentials, kind of like the foundation of the house to help you really, get, effectively crawled and indexed and ranked on search engines. All of that comes all built in. We have all of our great hosting and compliance support. We make sure that we integrate with a lot of the tools that we were talking about in the last webinar as well, like UserWay and Cookie Yes, just to make sure your website's going to be meeting ADA and WCAG, GDPR, and CCPA compliance. We handle all the security and malware kind of protection issues. And then, just as far as like, even you, the non-technical business owner, if you decide that you want to go with our more low-cost plan, which is kind of just like doing it yourself, you can still go in and have like real easy tools to manage the theme options like colors and fonts and all the styling. We have what we call a full site editing experience. So it's real easy for you to go in, change the main navigation, change things in the footer, change the layout, change any of the actual elements of a page. And then, of course, if you have any technical issue and you're like, I'm not really too comfortable with making this change, you have direct access to our support, and you can jump right onto our task scheduler, put in a date. Hey guys, can you help me with this? Please have it done by this date. So you actually know that you have kind of like the technical stuff taken care of for you. And if there's anything that you're having a problem with, of course, we're there for you. We always kind of think of ourselves as a maintenance and management company first and foremost. So you have all this great documentation and training on the back end, and that you can just reach out to support at any time. So again, it's kind of like empowering you to do things on your own and save some money, but also that you have great support behind you that's going to help you just really maximize the platform for your own benefit. So before we really dig into like some more of the HootHost features, I just kind of want to like give everyone sort of like a foundational understanding of like, let's talk about what are the benefits of a CRM platform. So with a CRM platform, it really comes down to like your operations management. You're maximizing your leads and contacts, communication, and really just, kind of having a better just system for managing your business operations. So lead and contact management, just being able to manage like your audience and like know who's interacting with you, what's working, what's not. All of your communication, all of your outbound marketing, and having tracking and analytics on all of that. Pretty much in any of the major CRM platforms, you're going to have a sales pipeline where you can build and manage your customer journey and have that nice overview of like the steps of your business going from a lead to a customer and beyond. That the sales pipeline is another one that like so many small and medium business owners, they just like don't even attempt to do that. And that's why I talk so much about the digital consumer journey, because it really just encourages people to like have that type of tool and that type of state of mind about their business. And it just helps you really grow your business much more. Ultimately it's about money, right? So like payments, invoices, payment forms on your website, and transaction reporting, having all of that worked in. A lot of the better CRM platforms will have that as well. And then again, just having like marketing and online metrics and analytics, so you can make data-driven decisions about your business. When you have that level of like a comprehensive CRM platform, just going to help you manage your business operations, manage your customers, conversions, revenue, and a little bit of marketing as well, which is the next thing we'll talk about here. Let's talk about website marketing integrations, because whether we build a website for you or you want to do it yourself and save a little money, ultimately what really comes down to with the website is having these key integrations to effectively kind of like have that powerful online presence and build your business. So don't let your website be that static online brochure. Your business website should be an effective marketing tool to help you grow your business. And that's the whole point of these key marketing integrations. So things like calendars for your appointments and consultations. If any of my coaches or consultants are in the audience right now, classes and events that you might want to be holding online, managing all of your communication management through chatbots and forms and other communication means, all of your outbound marketing for email marketing and newsletters and drip campaigns, your Google Business Profile updates. I talked a lot about that in the last webinar. So many people, wrote me messages and said, I didn't even know that was a feature, but treat your Google Business Profile like it's another social network. You have the updates feature where you can make posts and really raise engagement. So, so important. It's just like any of your other social media. And guess what? Through marketing integrations, you can have that social media presence as well to consistently manage your social media and have that more strong social presence. Having things like funnels and landing pages, like I was talking about last time, having those little satellites out there that are kind of like an extension of your website just to help drive more discovery and more conversions. And then again, just having reporting on any paid ads you're running, your Google Business Profile, your social media, your email, and your website. So with these effective marketing tools all kind of integrated and all of your communication flowing back to a CRM, that's just going to help you increase your leads, maximize your customer journey, and just convert more customers. And ultimately, when you have that CRM plus these marketing integrations together, that's really what creates like that really ideal online presence. So let's go ahead and, let's get back to the website thing here. Let's talk about a lot of the HootPress and AI tools that I'm talking about that are going to, whether we build the website for you or you want to do it yourself and save a little money, let's talk about the process of that and how, it really makes it so easy for you to kind of like jump in, manage, and build your own website, right? So, so whether Hoothost is going to build it for you, which we have our plan for that, or we have a option, which is just our AI builder that you can go in and kind of do it yourself. We give you like this really stacked system that's way beyond anything that Wix or Squarespace offers because they don't really have a lot of like the additional features in there that, that really are meant for business to really, again, help you drive conversions and help you build your business online. So let's just go through like the actual building process here. So you jump right into the website builder itself, and you have all these great templates that are actually based on industry and business type, not just templates that are, this looks good for this, and here's a cool style, and some funky ideas or whatever. Industry and business type based templates that are actually, you can go in, look for things like a life coach or, a plumber or a home and local service provider or a professional services provider. You can go through your actual industry and business type, find a template that actually works for you based on messaging and structure that's going to be ideal for your business. And then you can easily customize it to your brand styling. It's real easy to go in, switch colors, fonts, and really kind of adjust it to your brand style. And then all the AI tools wrapped in. We have an AI content writer and editor, so you can easily jump in and just control all of your content, create even custom AI images and media, and really quickly, between having this like multi-page system already set up for you that you can easily go in and customize, and then the AI jumps in and takes over everything and just kind of like curtails it all specifically to your business information. It makes building the actual website a really quick and streamlined process. We have a built-in blog with an AI content assistant. So right away, you can start publishing content and really just try to maximize your online presence. All the SEO tools and the Google SEO Essentials that I always talk about, all built in. And then it's really easy. If you want to just like go in and add additional pages, you want to add e-commerce or other advanced features like subscriptions, we have all of that all worked in. And again, whether we build it for you or if you just, want to save some money and sign up to the AI website builder to do it yourself, even with the low cost option, when you first sign up, you get a one-on-one training and support session with us. So we walk through the entire platform with you and guide you through everything. And then when you go in, you build the whole website, you go, hey guys, I love what I did. The AI tools really helped me kind of put everything together real quickly. Then we jump back in for you and an expert actually launches your website for you. We connect your domain, we handle the compliance and some of the SEO stuff. We just do a full review, make sure everything's perfect. And then, we go ahead and launch the website for you. So let's talk a little bit about the editing experience, because this is another one that's like, it's way beyond what you're going to get with, the Wixes and Squarespaces of the world. Or if you have an agency build a website for you on a platform like WordPress, that too comes with limitations. So what we're offering is we have all these great AI tools built in. They don't cost you any extra money to use them. And it's real easy, when you go in and you just want to adjust anything or add content even, you can, jump in, highlight some text or a headline, ask the AI tool to, rewrite it from scratch, create completely new content, expand upon content, fix grammatical or spelling errors, optimize it for SEO, and so much more. You can even, again, you can even create AI-based images and media. What other platforms, they say, oh, it's really easy to drag and drop and move things around, but ours literally is drag and drop. You can move any of the features on the page around, completely build new layouts, and there's all types of pre-built kind of like layout options as well that really help you just put things together really quickly. You can easily upload your own media and really, just quickly make it into like this custom website presence that's going to best represent your business. Again, with all the SEO essentials, compliance standards, and all the high performance hosting and everything that we included in the plan. And then the best part, of course, is you have HootCRM and all of the marketing tools all built in. So it's real easy to jump in and have those custom forms, payments, your calendar for appointments and consultations, all running doing in MailChimp, and you have like, 5 different platforms for managing your online presence, all in one platform through your website. It's kind of all set up the way it's supposed to be. And there really is no other platform that's doing it like this. If you sign up for something like Squarespace and want to have a CRM platform, then you got to go over and get Pipedrive or HubSpot or something. With us, this whole thing is built around the intention of being for small and medium businesses to help them maximize their online presence. And that's why we put everything all in one place for you. And again, whenever you need support, we have, right from the back end of your dashboard, you can easily jump in to, schedule a task with us, ask us for support, or just, watch some of our training videos and, help get some clarification if you're having any problems. So I also just want to talk about all the CRM and growth tools that are built in, because this is really the game changer for most small and medium businesses. So with HootCRM, you have this operations CRM plus the whole marketing platform built in that's going to help you market smarter, engage your audience better, and just grow your business faster. So with HootCRM, it helps you manage your business operations like we were talking about, all of your communication through your forms and calendars, or even a chat bot. So it helps you manage your leads and your contacts, and then all of your outbound marketing as well through social media, email, your Google business profile, and so much more. So everything I was unpacking and like why you need a CRM and why you need those marketing integrations, again, imagine now you have it all in one place. So let's go ahead and jump into the actual features of the platform so that everyone can kind of see like how it works for you and like what it's going to bring to the table. So let's go ahead here and unpack all of the features of HootCRM. So first off, you land right here into the main dashboard. Your dashboard is for all of your reporting and analytics on your websites, your Google business profile, paid ads, your social media, email marketing, and so much more, just so you can make data-driven decisions about your business and really kind of just like better understand what's working and what's not. As you begin to have more communication flowing through your website and your online presence, you're going to build your customer database. So in contact management, you can organize your leads and your customers. You can see what form or what calendar they came through, all of the communication with that contact, that and the entire history that they've been part of your audience, and then all the details about that contact. And of course, you can customize all the details with custom tagging and all types of fields to really help just kind of like curtail the platform to your specific business. As you are kind of like getting your online presence out there, and you want to have like options for people to be able to get in contact with you, calendars is really the best option. Forget about Calendly and like those basic calendar systems. Now you have a custom calendar system that you can integrate into your website and other places in your online presence, so you can take your bookings, consultations, appointments. If I have any coaches or consultants in the audience, you have classes or events that you want to hold, even online webinars, you can do all of that through our calendar system. And right here in the dashboard, you can see all of your appointments on the calendar. And of course, it integrates with Google and Microsoft and Zoom, so you can easily manage all of your online appointments in a nice streamlined fashion. For we were talking about like all of your online presence communication coming back to one place. We have the advanced form builder. So with this, you have your website contact page, maybe lead forms on your services pages. You want to have a custom payment form, and so much more that you can do with this. The advanced form builder is real easy to come in. It's all drag and drop, just like the website editor, and you can easily build these advanced forms, even take payments that integrate with Stripe and Square and PayPal. It's just helping you kind of have like a more sophisticated contact management and even online payment forms as well. Then, just like we were talking about with the sales pipeline, opportunities. So you come into the opportunities hub and you have this great visual, all color coded. So you can actually set the digital consumer journey of your business, see it, and see how customers move through it to become customers with your business, from new leads to hot leads to actually being, a booked customer. And being able to color code everything and easily just drag customer contacts through the steps. It's great to actually have like the visual of the digital consumer journey because it just kind of helps you like better understand that concept and actually, manage your customers in your business as they're going, from potential leads to actually becoming customers. Then, of course, again, it's all about business, right? Having the payments hub is huge. Rather than just sending someone like a PayPal pay link or whatever, now you can have custom invoices for your business, payment forms, even develop subscriptions and have all types of great transaction reporting. It just kind of helps, that it integrates with all the major payment gateways. So you don't have to rely on like kind of like looking unprofessional with like, just like, again, like that PayPal pay link or something like that in order for you to collect on your services. It's much better to have a custom payment system, and that's really what we bring to the table here. And then, so that was all the operations side of it, right? Contacts, your calendars, your communication, payments, and your sales pipeline. But now let's talk about the marketing hub. So you come into marketing, and the first thing you land on is the social media planner. You can easily create posts and, upload your media, even create videos and, post to your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, even YouTube, and of course your Google Business Profile, because we always talk about Google Business Profile, treat it like it's its own social network. That's why we include that here as well, so you can make updates to your Google Business Profile and really help engagement on there as well. It's just so nice to be able to like schedule posts. You can schedule out your whole week or just make a post right here and have it go out to all your networks. And just like, you don't have to be like going one by one through each platform or anything like that. Just helps you streamline and just have that more consistent social presence. The other big one too, email marketing. So, it's real easy. You can go into the emails template system, and we have tons of templates you could choose from, or it's really easy just to go in and kind of make your own. There's tons of widgets here. It's all drag and drop, just like the website editor. Real easy to just drop your logo in, drop your media in, create your messaging. And then when you're ready to actually send out your designed email, you go over into campaigns, you create the subject and all the details about the email, and you can choose to send it to all of your contacts or just contacts who are on a smart list or a certain tag. This helps you just have like, that really sophisticated email marketing system that's going to be way beyond what you can do with MailChimp. And of course, we have all types of great track clicking and UTM tracking, again, to really help you make data-driven decisions and actually understand, how your emails are impacting your audience. Then there's some really cool stuff here we can unpack, like workflows. So automated workflows are, really help just take your online presence to the next level. Let's say you have a calendar system through your website, right? Someone makes that booking with you. You can have an automated workflow. So the day before or a couple days before, they get a little automated reminder that, hey, you have that meeting with Stephanie. And that's just a great way to, be able to, kind of like take a lot of the extra workload of yourself out with workflows. You can set up all types of cool automations for email follow-ups, social, all types of custom triggers. The things that people are doing with this, they blow my mind all the time. There's so much cool stuff you can do with automated workflows. Funnels and landing pages, like we were talking about, kind of having like those additional satellites out there beyond your main website just to help drive additional discovery on search engines and conversions. If you have a particular course or a product or some type of special offer, you can build a funnel for it that's really just going to help you drive additional conversions, get more sales, and just kind of make it like separate from your website to really just kind of help expand your online presence. And again, with the funnel builder, it actually works in cohesion with the website editor, and it's the very similar, all drag and drop experience, real easy. We have tons of great templates built in for funnels and landing pages, really help you maximize your online presence and just have those little additional satellites out there for discovery and conversion. And then the reputation hub. This is what everyone always asks about. How can I get more reviews on my Google Business Profile and my Facebook profile? We have an automated system for that where, you could do it through the sales pipeline where once someone becomes a customer and they've been with you for a while, you want to start getting more customer advocacy, you can have automated, reminders that go out to, request those reviews for you. And it just really helps you get more reviews and just drive more advocacy for your business. The Reputation Hub is a game changer for so many businesses, and all of a sudden you start seeing all those 5-star reviews coming through. More reviews lead to more business, and it just really helps your reputation. Um, some additional features and capabilities, those are the popular ones that I just kind of unpacked there. All the operations stuff, payments, calendars, the marketing stuff like social media, email, and some automated workflows. Those are the things that most businesses really want the tools for. That's when they jump into the platform for the first time, they want to start email marketing or social media. That's the primary stuff that everyone uses it for, but we can do so much other cool stuff. Member portals, online classes and events for my coaches. If you want to have an affiliate partner program, you can do that as well. We have all types of really cool lead prospecting tools that we're experimenting with right now. If you want to add e-commerce to your website or membership or subscriptions, you can do that as well. We're really looking to advance the website platform, especially with more AI tools and more advanced functionality add-ons. You can do online surveys and all types of really cool advanced forms, multi-step forms, online surveys for various industry types. I've seen some people doing some really cool stuff with that as well. And now we have a QR code creator. This is actually a really fun tool. I just saw one of our customers who was actually using it had an in-person event where they were selling their products, and they created a QR code that people could scan and go right to their custom payment form all through the CRM. So just an example of how you can kind of like put these tools all together and just kind of streamline your business. And we have all types of cool third-party apps and Zapier integrations. So you can, really kind of, if you have other tools or other platforms that you want to integrate with us, we can do that for you as well. And also keep in mind, again, we consider ourselves a maintenance and management company first and foremost. We have all types of great built-in training, guided tours, and support. You can really easily jump into the support and task scheduler with us. So if you need help, we're always there for you. Uh, and again, kind of like the main thing to remember is if we're building the website for you, even if you have an existing website and you just want to sign up to one of our maintenance plans, if you're on Wix or Squarespace, Shopify, Webflow, WordPress, even with our maintenance plans, we give you the CRM platform as an included benefit because we want more people to use it and really see all the benefits that you can do to help you kind of grow your business and drive more online results. So we include it in all of our website builder and all of our website maintenance plans. And now you can download the app. So once you're a member with us on Android and iOS, you can download the app. And it's just going to help you manage your operations and your marketing everywhere you work. So on the go, you can check your calendar, check your payments, check your contacts, and so much more. The app is, really going to be a game changer for so many businesses. And I already see people using it and telling me all good things. So let's kind of like tie it all together here for our last topic. Let's talk about strategies for online growth, because it's great if you have the website with AI tools and all that's going to help you just make a great website. You have marketing integrations in place, some tools are helping you with like your operations and payments and, outbound marketing like email and social media. But none of that really matters if you don't understand strategies for online growth. So through the CRM, and marketing tools plus that optimized business website, that's going to help you meet your goals, but it's really going to, you're going to find continued success when you understand these strategies for online growth that are really just going to help you, just have a better sort of like plan in place for how to grow your business and how to find the results you're looking for online. So these are some things I talked about in the previous webinar, but I just want to kind of dive into them a little bit more today. Use EEAT standards for writing quality content. Again, EEAT is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. This is about like not just using ChatGPT to put out just like general content. Even in our AI content writing tools, the way that the system works is that you have to put in like your personal bits, and then it's just basically helping you kind of like advance that. So, you don't want to be putting out like the ChatGPT, like just general AI kind of like jargon, like just general information. It needs to be personal. You need to work in your personal experiences, your advice, your stories, even your opinions. That's the way that you create more authentic content. And then the other E here is expertise. You need to also mention your credentials, your expert knowledge, associations you might be a part of, awards you've won. It's all really kind of about like notability and credibility, so that the more people see that, they go, oh, I can take this person's advice and opinions and input seriously because they're an expert and obviously like they're credentialed and they're an authority on within their work in their industry. So the more you're doing that and you're kind of like using blogs and adding content to your website, just about the services and things that you do with your business. You're going to gain authority. You're going to gain trust with Google. You're going to get repeat people coming back. People hopefully will be sharing your content as well. That's going to help you have that A for authority. And then Google's going to know it can trust your website, all the content, your blogs, your resources, and your website pages. And that's going to get you that trust. And that's going to help you rise in the ranks and just drive more organic traffic from search engines. Strictly follow Google's helpful content algorithm for blogs. This is really just kind of about putting out blogs that are not like talking about your business and why you're awesome and why people should do business with you. The thing I always say to people now is like helping is the new marketing. Use the Google helpful content algorithm, especially for blogs, just to like answer common questions that people have about your services. What are things people ask before they start doing business with you? New customers, repeat customers, think of all those conversations and those questions that people always ask you about your work and write blog posts and articles about those things and just additional website pages as well. That's just going to help you like kind of help people, inform people more, and informed customers are going to be way more likely to do business with you. You want to structure your website around the digital consumer journey and strategic engagement optimization so that when people are coming in from search engines, you're creating what we call kind of like a sticky website page. Just again, help them first and foremost, inform them, entertain them, have those strategic call to actions that lead to, a sign up page or whatever your desired action of the website is. But the more that you're kind of doing that and you're engaging people properly, the big thing I talked about in the last webinar was intent. Think about the intent of people that come in. That's, so important, whether it's from an article or a various website page. What is the intent of that person? Are they just doing research? Are they looking to sign up with a business like yours? Think about that and how you're going to properly speak to them and engage them. That's going to help you just get way more from the search engine traffic and traffic that comes into your website. And then again, like lead generation, calendars, and those forms strategically placed around your website, lead magnets and lead forms. Don't make me go scrolling for them either. Put them right up on top of the page. When someone goes to that services page, always think about it like this too. Someone went to your services page, like what was, they're basically telling you right there that their intention and what they're thinking is that like they're considering doing business with you. So have that capture right up on top of the page, have a strong message there that tells them what it is and say, hey, if you want to get in touch with me, here's the form right here. And that's just a way that you're just going to like get way more conversion from your website. Again, using that CRM to manage your email marketing, your social media, and your Google Business Profile, you want that consistent outreach, especially with the Google Business Profile. And of course, if you need professional help with any of these things, we do have add-on marketing packages. So you can come to us for help with your Google Business Profile, with email marketing. We'll help you create all the templates and everything. So you can try some of our add-on packages as well. So let's just have some reminders and recap here real quick. I see a lot of questions happening in the chat. You can use HootPress with the built-in AI tools to have that effective website for your business, plus benefit from HootCRM and all of the marketing tools that we offer to boost your business and create that desired online results that you're looking for. So don't overpay the expensive agencies or waste time with the do-it-yourself platforms like Wix and Squarespace. You want to find that balance to website cost and value somewhere in the middle, and that's what we aim to achieve at HootHost. We're really one of the only platforms that empowers people with this many tools, plus the expert support. So you're not just kind of like left hanging and doing it yourself. You know that the technical stuff and support is there for you when you need it. You can easily build your website and manage it with these AI tools that are just going to help you create content, expand upon your content, keep it personal, and follow those EEAT standards, and also create things like media and images as well. You have all those marketing tools integrated, so it's not that static brochure website. It actually has all the necessary kind of features that are going to engage people and help you just drive, conversions from it. And again, if you're following those key, online growth strategies, it's just going to help you have that continued success and continue to grow your online presence. You can find the success that you're looking for without breaking the bank. And HootHost, we're really trying to change the website industry and prove that, this kind of approach with support and maintenance, but also giving people all of these tools wrapped into an affordable plan is really the way to restore the cost to balance, the cost to value balance for small and medium businesses, and just help people have a way more active and powerful online presence for their business.